Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take one trade with our strategy. I'm going to without wasting any time, let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart and we are analyzing as usually the 1 minute candlestick time frame, as you can see here, and we are going to take our 5-minute expiry trade. So we have selected the time. So now let's understand the chart, and as soon as we got as this, let me take this as the level. Okay, and okay, so this level is actually a resistance level. Previously it worked really great and it supported the market, so which means that right now this support level can work as the resistance level, because for those who didn't took the trade on the breakout here, they will take this opportunity as the retest phase and they can enter the trade in the downward direction. For we can say that market can respect this level as the resistance because this trend is downtrend, so we are going to follow the trend as much as possible. The strategy is simple. What I'm looking for is to follow the trend. I'm waiting for the market to go up, hit this future resistance, and if we get the confirmation, the strength of the sellers here, we are going to go for a short trade here, otherwise we will not take the trade. So the trend is downtrend. This is the high, this is the low, lower high and lower low, so it's a clear downtrend market. This is the retracement phase. Market is going to hit this resistance level, and if market gets weak, it gives us sure confirmation. We are going to take the trade because according to the price action, this is going to hit this level and then it can reverse, because that's how retracement work. The market retraces back, hit a potential level, and then it reverses back quickly. So what we are doing here is taking a retracement reversal trade. So let's wait for that time. Right now market is showing weakness. You can see the Wich section, it is showing that market is actually weak. So let's wait for the confirmation, and as soon as we got the confirmation, we are going to take the trade. So let's wait. So we get the breakout here, and we have placed a trade for the short position here, and you can see that I have explained you the concept previously, that this is the retracement phase, and if we go by the trend according to this situation, this is a downtrend situation. That's why I took this trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you in detail why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily. Now let me explain you the setup in detail. So it's a clear setup, it's an easy setup. So let me first make you understand what was the concept behind this trade. So the overall trend was uptrend, but as we are trading over a small time frame, the minor trend is important for us. So the minor trend here, you can see this was the high, this was the low, lower high and lower low. It's clearly a downtrend situation. And if we talk about the major uptrend here, This swing, this is the higher low swing. If you take this point as the low, this can be the high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So if we take this as the downtrend, this level has been broken here, which was in the previous trend was the higher low swing, which means that this level has been broken. The price action has changed. So the trend which we need to focus was on the downtrend here. So I did the same. I saw that market was moving strongly in the downtrend, and as we all know that whenever you see steep move in the market always retraces back. This was the retracement, but we all know that at the end of the day, after the retracement phase is over, the market needs to continue its trend, and which in this case was the downtrend. So I wanted to place my trade in the downward direction. Now, in order to take a trade in the downward direction, you need a weak market, because here I was waiting for a reversal trade, and for a reversal trade, you need a weak market, a price action that shows that market should be reversing now, and a clear candlestick confirmation. And here, as the trend was downtrend, this was the retracement phase, and at the end, market needs to retrace back. Market needs to continue its trend, which is downtrend. Here market rejected back from the trend resistance. This was the case. I draw this level as the resistance, but as I told you that it may not work in the future because it's not been tested, and the same thing happened. Market didn't respected this level. It goes up and it rejected back from the trend resistance. Now the reason why I didn't place my trade here for a short position is because I was only seeing this trend resistance. I didn't have other confirmations like price action, weakness in the market, and that's why I didn't place a trade here. I waited for a weak market situation. Here market goes down, but it didn't move strongly in the upward direction. This particular setup shows me that yes, the buyers are now weak, and if sellers are interested, they can reverse the market. Here market tried to go up, but it rejected back again in the downward direction. This was the swing high here, which was not being broken here. So it means that market is now going in the downward direction, but I didn't place the trade. Although I have the weak market, I waited for the market to break the recent support level. This was the support level, as you can see, swing low here. It's been broken clearly here, and that's why I placed the trade, because this is the confirmation candle. The price action was also suggesting that market should be going down. The market was weak, the trend was downtrend, and everything was in our favor, and that's the reason why I took this trade. So that's it about this trading session. I hope that you have understand the concept really well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.